Let's complete the following calculation. 0.05% of what would equal 1? For us to find this answer, let's interpret our sentence here into a mathematical equation and solve that equation. So let's first convert 0.05% to a decimal. And to do that, we'll move the decimal point 2 places to the left and remove the percent symbol. So 2 places to the left will need an extra 0. So 0.05% becomes 0.0005. The word of we interpret as a multiply, and the word what we'll write as a question mark. The word equals we'll write as an equal sign, and 1 we'll write as the number 1. So our sentence 0.05% of what equals 1 interprets to 0.0005 times what equals 1. For us to find this answer, we'll divide both sides by 0.0005. And the reason why is that by dividing by 0.0005, we'll cancel on the left, leaving simply a question mark. We're now left with 1 divided by 0.0005 to find. To do this, we'll do a division, 0.0005 divided into 1. For us to find this answer, we need to move the outside decimal point 4 places to the right to make our divisor into a whole number. So we'll move it 4 places to make this into the number 5. But since we moved the outside decimal point 4 places, we also need to move an imaginary decimal point underneath the dividing symbol 4 times as well. So that means that we'd move it 4 times, adding 4 zeros. So now we're left with the problem 5 divided into 10,000. Well, 5 doesn't divide into 1, but 5 does divide into 10 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. For the remaining zeros we have, 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. Subtract that, get 0. Brings down the next 0. And 5 goes into this 0 times. 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract, get 0. And bring down a remaining 0. 5 multiplied by a remaining 0 would become 0 as well. And subtract to get 0. That means that 5 divides into 10,000 2,000 times. So that means our answer would be 2,000. So 0.05% of 2,000 would equal 1. And that's our final answer.